Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2255, Filter to Over 20,000. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Gillen. Oh, great trick I learned on the road. I was in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I was talking about filter by selection. You know, that's when you add the auto filter up here to the quick access toolbar. And Taylor and Chris both suggested this awesome thing. Let's say we had a filter to everything at 20,000 or above. So right here, in the very last row beneath the numbers, greater than 19,500, which will work in this case. Choose that cell, come up here, hit auto filter or filter by selection, and bam, we get everybody above 20,000. What an awesome trick that is. You know, filter by selection, right click, customize quick access toolbar, commands not in the ribbon, choose auto filter, right? That's the old name for filters. This magic thing does filter by selection, which is kind of like doing right click, filter to selected cells value, but so much faster than that. But that awesome trick, and of course, whatever we were looking for gets hidden because it's text and not a number. What an awesome trick is that? Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.